Hello, guys. Welcome to my kitchen. You guys, I am 10 days postpartum. Who gave you, Jamal?
It's a new friend.
Oh, you have a new friend. That's great. You guys, lighting is not great, but welcome to my kitchen. You guys, I had a baby 10 days ago. And a few days after having baby, we moved to a new house. See, moving is not easy. I promise you. I used to think it was easy because in Nigeria now we have domestic staff and people around that could help with moving. But here it is just you. Me that my body is just still fresh out of the labor room. So yeah, let me not bore you guys with that. But we just moved and my kitchen is a mess. I already started some work. I have wiped down all of these, literally washed all of these in and out, and I'm yet to finish it down. I'm just gonna continue from where I stopped, and then I'll just show you guys the after of this kitchen. So this is the before. It is a mess. I pray for strength to finish up. All right, and then I'll show you guys the after. So let's get this video rolling. Hey, hey. I don't blame myself. I don't born. All right, let's get started. Just gotta keep this thing covered. You're a fool. Oh, baby. Anyway, you see strength, but this box is supposed to go upstairs. I caught you. I caught it. You have changed it now. Because my hair not fitting upstairs. This one. Yes, printer. It's up. I can't carry it. It's very heavy. Thank you. Tired much. Wait, baby. Once I leave, you carry phone. Once I leave, you carry phone. They talk to them.
Is that your mommy's? No, your nanny's.
Nanny.
Nanny's. Oh. Wake up.
I thought you wanted to clean like Mishai, now you be. My Mishai, my handyman.
No medication here. Only here.
Soup.
Mm.
Should we now use that basket, that black basket? Take back it.
For
It's too small.
for
Medicine now.
Hey, the ones who go fit there, go there like, oh, so, but you need my carton like that.
Yeah.
See your baby soccer.
Is the Njuma's one? So, okay, I've seen babies on. Okay, good, thank you.
Where will you keep rice?
What is kind of?
That place is for where I want to put my tools.
So, yeah, I want to put my abacha.
How can you put abacha there?
Well, I plan to put abacha inside this carton and fix the carton, then the box there.
And why? No, I thought you said you want to put abacha there.
No, it was there I was saying it before. Yeah, it was already used to put pots before.
You can put pots here.
No, apparently they used to also keep pots there before.
Yes.
I've cleaned it now, it's not showing again. This is okay, I can keep it there then.
What is that pot?
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on, clean it for me now.
No problem. Here is for nylon.
Where? Here.
Yeah.
And okay, Tita, what's the half? It's not foil. Instead, let's put that line foil.
No.
Why not?
This is for pin bags, no?
Put the foil. It doesn't matter, it's for anything that they're rolling. Put foil there. Why?
Where did you put it?
The second.
Suppose stay there. So
Second one. Baby, there's
just
no.
one make person with bent.
How many green bag will you use?
No, don't put it there, baby.
You tell me when it's men now that have kitchen. You tell me. Give your one very soon.
All the slave would have been using it to do. You don't know say that men know the work of it.
You soon use them, honey.
Yeah.
We now have a garden and it's summer.
No, that's
So
not
we
that's
can-
not fixing the car. That's not making you open up.
Why?
You can't do that.
You tell me open up. Summer. Oh God, I'm so confused. So we are going to be keeping trays. Eh? Here you want to keep foil now, now here we're supposed to keep trays.
Yes, just I'm not good for the game then.
So where it comes from?
Just place where you live.
Okay, say put that in the place, I won't say. I don't want remove it.
No. So this one now you not going to use it.
Baby was crying, eh?
You know we use this one again.
Fine, I'm trying to wake up. This one now. So just show it like Can you see that? What are you? Isso. I can imagine the guy gisting the video gist. Eh? Where are you going?
Yeah.
You're going with jump down. You just nothing. Things leave from there.
Parce que they don't miss out on female people. C'est pas how do they say stuff?
watch Yagi back.
Please.
Mm-hmm.
You what?
What's in this one?
Is that open? Is that open? Is that open to I know what's inside? Okay, is that my China something? Is that my if I'm to put from there around open my tooth?
Wahala.
But
No, let's show you it.
where do you put that inside here?
What?
This age.
Okay, it's okay there. I'm going to put it there, but it's okay there.
Okay.
So here,
Yeah.
this is for what you show. My name is Maybe. I come from Onitsha. And all go marching down to the ground to get down on the lane. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Catch it. Easy. And 1, 2, 2,
Put this in your. Daddy, did Daddy wash it? Did he wash his hand? No, I'm not giving you that. Put that in your this thing. I don't know whether you're using this fuse or anything.
Look at the one end.
One and
I want the one.
let's lay on it.
Let's go away.
It's gone away. You know where the clothes in now?
Let's go to that store.
Probably I need to get wearing now. That's normal.
Didn't you? Let's go upstairs and change our clothes so that I can go
So,
out.
apart from quick, you can help it here.
So now what do you put inside?
Yaji.
Yaji.
Should I put crayfish? That's what I'm trying now.
What do you have the fish?
Yeah, I just use this one now. But I can pour it. And I have more.
So what cup, what spoon are you going to
The
use?
same spoon.
If you want French from it, down, go.
No, I'll put it on top now when I finish.
No, if you want.
And I put cinnamon on. Mom put. It's just a bad bit.
Put it. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. You're welcome.
Your bowl.
It's my new son.
Has it gone in? It's gone in.
No, it's coming.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Let's wait and see.
Yeah.
You have a new friend. Oh my God! Didn't you see your hair? What did you do? Oh God! Oh shit! Why are you playing with sand all over your hair? Don't ever do sand on your hair. Oh God!
Time.
Why are you playing with sand? Give me that bag. Wait, before. Careful, wait.
What was the noise? Oh, it's away.
Guys, it is literally 11 p.m. and it's not been long. I finished clearing up my kitchen, but unfortunately, sorry about the lighting, I'm not able to do a tour, so I'm just gonna do another video where I'm going to do a proper tour of my kitchen, all right, but not in this video. But thank you guys for watching. I'm happy that I've done it. My body can rest now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.